This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 10 of A Beginner's Guide to Java of Java Programming Language, and the name of the topic we're going to discuss today is Java literals. Very important topic. A literal in Java is a source code representation of a set or word. They are spoken to specifically in the code without any calculation. Literals can be appointed to any primitive stored variable. Case in point, byte x is equal to 86. So we should be careful writing byte because Java is a case sensitive language, so B and C of the character should be small, and character x is equal to A enclosed in double quotes. Integer, byte, short and long can be communicated in hexadecimal. Base 16, decimal, base 10, or octal, base 8. Number framework. Prefix 0 is utilized to show octal, while prefix 0x demonstrates hexadecimal when utilizing these number frameworks for literals. For example, integer num_d equal to 134, integer num_o equal to 0234, and integer num_x equal to 0x95. String literals in Java are determined like they are in most different programming languages by encasing a grouping of characters between a couple of twofold quotes. Illustrations of string literals are Hi everyone. Two backslash n lines. These characters are inside quotes. String stores of literals can contain any Unicode characters. For example, string news equal to \u 0001. We can also use escape sequence with Java. Here is a list of escape sequence. But that you can use double quote, carriage return, $0xd by typing backslash and then R, new line, 0xa, backslash n, single quote, backspace, 0x08, backslash b, formed feed, 0x0c, backslash f, for tab, backslash t, for space, 0x20, backslash s, and for octal characters, triple D, backslash triple D, for backslash, we'll type backslash, for hexadecimal Unicode, code character, tetrax, which is backslash u tetrax. So I'm gonna give bullets to all these escape sequence in Java. So that's all, viewers, for Java literals. We have discussed all the data types, Java literals for integer byte short with their basis. Likewise for character, how can we use two lines and how can we enclose them in double quotes, and then the escape sequence in Java, which are very, very important. These are used in the programming, so we should be aware of all these escape sequence in Java like we learn in C language. It is very important to understand and learn all the escape sequences in Java. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.